Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to import Excel in Monday.com. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that I need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Monday.com, I need you to click the Get Started option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Exporting Excel data into Monday.com is a straightforward process that can, of course, enhance the project management and streamline workflows. Because if you are transitioning from another system or using Excel as your primary tool, importing data allows you to quickly migrate existing information into Monday.com. Now, for you to be able to do that, all you're going to do is hover to the upper right corner of your dashboard. There's going to be an option that says More Actions and Import. So click on the import tasks. And from here, as you can see, you can import data from Excel to Monday.com. You can move data from an Excel spreadsheet into an existing Monday.com. You can browse your files or drag and drop here. Make sure it's a CSV, XLS, or XLSX file. All right. So if you wanted, you can download the sample Excel file if you're not sure, but I'm switching over to my Google Word spreadsheet. And this is the specific file that I'm working with. Because importing lets you bring over historical data, ensuring that important information is not lost during the transition to a new platform. Importing data, you can automate the setup of boards, tasks, and projects based on pre-existing Excel files, of course reducing the manual work. In my case, what I'm going to do is download this to an Excel file. Remember, there are only acceptable formats on Monday.com. There are CSV or the comma separated values. There are XLX, Microsoft Excel for spreadsheet, and the XLS for the traditional Microsoft Excel from Microsoft Office. I'm going to download this and obviously import it to Monday.com. Now, the file has been uploaded successfully and click on Next. You can choose one column from Excel. Alright, and it will appear as the item name on your first column in your board. Just click on Next and just follow the on-screen instructions. But of course, you can customize all of these information, allowing you to enter large amounts of data in one go, obviously saving time compared to manually entering each item. Now, once you've done that, as you can see, by importing data, you can automate the setup of boards, project based on pre-existing Excel files, and that means once data is imported, it becomes accessible to your entire team within Monday.com. This facilitates into collaboration and communication compared to sharing static Excel files. So you have all these settings for you to check and update, and all these are reflected in real time, ensuring that everyone working is in the most current information. Okay, and click on Next. You can create new items, skip items, and override existing items. It's all up to you. But for now, just stick to the default, which is starting to import. All right. And there's going to be a status progress bar. And that's that. Your data has been imported successfully here on Monday.com. Now, data now can be standardized according to Monday.com column types and formats, improving consistency across your project management process. And obviously, you can have a seamless integration with other applications that could automate process and synchronize data between systems. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.